What's up, guys? Random for the 2018 6-box mixer. 157. I already put the list of names in the spreadsheet. We're going to do just the teams. Already have the teams in. We got 2 combo teams. Bengals and Chargers, Bucks and Jaguars. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is a 7. So wherever you line up on the spreadsheet, that's who you're going to get, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good luck, everybody. Steelers on top and Chiefs on the bottom. I think Tate Fong hit his PC. He did. All right, guys, there you go. That's who everybody has. XKZPRL is the code, and we are done. 159. Thanks, guys.